The availability in your hotel is of prime importance. Delphi FDC offers you the possibility to check at any moment your availability in real time. The tab Availability of Delphi FDC is divided in 3 sub-tabs that you can choose to display. Daily Information shows the classic occupation of rooms. Guest Room Bookings shows the bookings on a given period of time. Finally, Function Diary shows the availability of your rooms. This is what we're going to see in details in this video. In order to check the availability of bedrooms, click on the Availability tab. Select the date you want to check. Select the period of time you want to check. Select the property if you are in charge of several properties, and click on Go. Select the sub-tab Daily Information. Then click on Total Available to see the availability of the totality of room types. Be careful! Do not forget to click on Refresh to be sure that you check the availability in real time in your PMS. The availability of bedrooms only works if you have an interfaced PMS. The same way, you can check the occupation of bedrooms through the bookings clicking on Guest Room Bookings. In addition to that, you can click on Room Block and More Info buttons to display more detailed information on the room block. When rolling over a date in color, you will be able to see what events occurred that specific day. When clicking on the same date, you will be able to see the list of all events of the selected period of time. Those elements have been added by the hotel administrator so that you can choose the appropriate strategy considering the activity of the moment. In order to see the availability of your meeting rooms, you need to unselect the sub-tabs Daily Information and Guest Room Bookings and to click on Function Rooms. Delphi FDC gives you a variety of information on meeting rooms. First of all, the colors of the rooms gives you an idea on the status of the event. Red, the status event is prospect and thus non-confirmed. This means that you can change the room for the event. Actually, you often see 2 red events in the same function room. Blue, the status event is tentative, which means that chances to turn definite are good, but the deal is not done yet. Changing room may be delicate. Green, the status event is definite, and thus will take place in the allocated room. On the side, you can see several types of room. The standalone rooms. They are closed rooms that cannot be divided nor combined with others. The indivisible rooms are the result of the division of a larger room into small ones by a removable partition. Indivisible rooms are followed by a figure. Finally, the combination rooms are in fact a large room that can be divided into 2 or 3 smaller rooms if needed. When you roll over the rooms, Delphi FDC gives you information on the capacity of each room according to the different layouts. You can visualize the details of an event by clicking on it. However, if you double-click on this event, you can modify its attributes. For example, you can modify the setup and the teardown time of the room. This video is finished. You know now how to check the availability of your bedrooms and meeting rooms, how to prioritize the allocation of your rooms, how to modify the attributes of your rooms.